Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. New video, new scene, or new positioning. As you can tell, maybe in the corner of my video you can see my vanity, but today we're going to be making a new vanity. It's gonna be big as hell. Emmy's gonna be in my video today. He's gonna help me make my vanity today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, please. If you don't do it, then what?
I'm gonna come through to the house, or I am going to dolphin kick a baby.
So if you don't subscribe,
I'm going to dolphin.
Okay, Emmett's going to dolphin kick a baby. Dolphin kick a baby.
Yeah.
So since we are just not doing a makeup look today, I actually want to show y'all Bear because he's always in here, and y'all see my sweater? All the rage with Shelly Way. Make sure to follow her, listen to her podcast. She's always with all the tea. Make sure you support. It is Black History Month. Support Black businesses, please. All right, now let's introduce Berathan. Berathan the dog green. That's my baby boy. Emmett, where is our son?
Due to unforeseen circumstances, Bear will not be joining us.
No. Okay, so change of plans. We're not seeing Bear today, but you will see him in another video. All right, so like I said before, make sure to show some love. Make sure to leave any comments or any suggestions or whatever you think. But okay, let's get into this video.
What's up, everybody? It's Reggie Tate. You know, back again. You know, with the whoop de woos. So we're gonna build this vanity, cause yeah, we gotta build this vanity. So we're gonna do it. You know, y'all take tips. And holla at your boy. I don't know for what, but holla at your boy. Can you stop hovering over me? You are in my safe space.
I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my old vanity because there was no room on it. So this is my old vanity. It was very cluttered. That was a little seat. And then this is the new vanity. It doesn't even fit in the camera. It's really, really big. So it's gonna be on this wall right here. And y'all are gonna see everything we put together. This is what my vanity is going to look like. Mickle. Right?
Mick.
Oh, Mick.
Yes, you can have one. Alright, you want to
You gonna stop?
I was looking like that because that's exactly what I was thinking. Shit.
So move it completely out the way?
Yeah. Okay.
You in timeout?
Nah. I just want a dance battle.
You want a dance battle?
Yeah, I want a dance battle.
All right, you guys, and this is the vanity that we put together. Yay! Emmett. Oh, you are so funny. Get Bear! Bring Bear so we can show them Bear. Bear then! This is Bear. Bear, say hey. Say hey. Say hi to the people. Hi. Alright, you guys. So pretty much everything over here is from IKEA. Of course, this little organizer right there, I've always had. I got that from Home Goods. That little brush holder Emmett got for me for one Christmas. And this chair is from my old vanity. But I'm going to get a new chair eventually. And then I'll get some little cute sticker lights for around the mirror. Yeah, around the mirror. Emmett, do you have anything to say?
No, this is me and Bear.
But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for tuning in.
Subscribe!
And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.